Act like we never left. What is good, everybody? Today's video? Nope, narcissists never even liked your ass. You already know how I get down. I don't like to waste time and I'm ready to get into it. So let's do that. Not one thing about you outside of the fact that you kept trying, begging for better, and trying to make sense of their fuck shit behavior. See, we have this habit of trying to justify their nonsensical ass answers, hoping the person from the beginning will show back up, not realizing in that very moment that person never fucking existed in the first damn place. All of this shit was a well-played fraud that we feel incredibly embarrassed by after. And nah, not embarrassed that the relationship failed, not embarrassed by losing their raggedy and lackluster ass effort they gave, nah, but embarrassed that we couldn't see in that moment that they despised everything that was good about you. They hated you were so kind, hated even more how people were drawn to you and your personality, never liked that you got that promotion at work, that your business was doing so well, that friends and family always showed up for you in your toughest moments, that the kids always came to you for counsel, that you were so safe and comfortable sharing your vulnerabilities, that you tried so hard to make their concerns important. Yup, it was all a hate fest of epic proportions. And the results of said hate is that we immediately think there's something missing, as if we didn't give the love that we felt we gave, not as strong, not as deep, not as caring as we thought we were. But you want to know the craziest part? They convince us we were a bad person for being a good person. Wait, what? Everything they once loved about your patience and kindness, your fashionable style, your community activities you were involved with, your hobbies, your healthy lifestyle, now get critiqued and criticized even harder. And this shit right here is where we should about face and get the fuck out. But you know how us empaths do it. You know how the grace giver, the fixer, the savior complex gotta come out and flex a little bit, only to be shut down at every single turn. This shit was always going to end bad. They were always going to step out on that relationship. Shit, they never even stopped before y'all got together. You think those manufactured arguments were only to piss you off and give you the silent treatment? Nah, it was also so they could leave the house, link up with the new supply, and go cheat in peace. They have always been this trifling, always been this insidious, self-serving, diabolical with their fuck shit behavior. It's just that, well, you did such a good job of upholding the values, loving them through the dysfunction, being in that one-sided ass relationship that by the time your spirit realizes misalignment, shit, your nervous system is already in fight or flight. We don't know if it's butterflies or red flags, but one thing's for damn sure, something ain't right about their energy. Something ain't right about this high-ass anxiety every time they came around. Every time you looked at your phone and got a ping from them. Something ain't right about you always having to apologize, sacrifice, compromise, and fix every damn thing in that manipulation shit. This is also a reality check, you know, into taking off those rose-colored glasses and peeling back the layers of the trauma that you've been enduring. How could they have ever liked or loved you when they despised their very own existence? How could they have poured into you emotionally when they couldn't even regulate their own emotions? How could they have ever been loyal and committed when supply was the only satisfying factor they got out of you? And of course they would be drawn to you because you were everything they couldn't even fucking imagine being. Disciplined, loving without ulterior motives, some shit they raggedy ass could never even fathom. As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in and checking out this video today. If you're new to the channel, become official to the squad. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification down bottom. Become an official part of a team that will always push you towards personal greatness. I'll be back soon with another new video, but in the meantime, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired, and as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.